Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Sando coin, its price prediction mega balloon. Because friends, yesterday we see a massive rally in Sando coin. Right now, as entire crypto markets down, that's why you can see Sando is also dumped here. Current price $0.058, dropped almost 2% last 24 hours, and you can see 12% dump in last 30 days. But this is good because all other meme coins are right now barely jump here, almost 30 to 40% down in last 30 days due to war situation and many other bad news in crypto market right now. 58 million right now, friends. You can see $58 million market right now. This is good. $13.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. 1 billion supply all in circulations. This is good. There are no more token left to come in circulation in future. You see, friends, this was the first ever meme coin in Tron ecosystem. Tron is also very old cryptocurrency, has their own blockchain, and this coin is working on Tron chain. That's why Sundog is very unique than all other dog theme meme coin that working in Ethereum chain on Solana chain. But this dog is very important and very different than all other. All-time high was already $0.37. We almost 84% down than its all-time high and 108% up than its all-time low. They were $0.027. So performance from this coin is somehow good because still crypto market has no good days for meme coins, but definitely these bad days will not be forever. We can see some greenery soon in crypto market. Can see a major recoveries in meme coins soon. You can see, friends, 67% people are bearish for Sundog. Only 33% people are bullish for Sundog. Is just because entire market is negative, so that's why HTX Bybit has already listed this coin, MEXC has listed this coin, Lbank and BTime Bitnix has listed this coin. Still there's no Binance Coinbase listing for this meme coin. You can see, friends, Kraken, a based US central exchange, has also listed this coin, so this is a major listing for this coin. You can see, friends, Kraken has list and the coin one has list, but it's still not on Binance Coinbase. But I think when we see a massive high for Tron ecosystem meme coins again in crypto market, then definitely is possible because market cap is already 58 million. This is huge, friends, and it's possible at that time. Definitely Sundog can list for Binance also. 138,000 followers for this meme coin. You can see, friends, joined August 2024, and Vita Inu coin is also following this. Baby Dogecoin, KuCoin exchange. So it's really good. 2 minutes ago, you can see, friends, day one not okay point until TRX is at $1. Okay, so 3 minutes this sports about this coin, so this is good. Community is no doubt very very active, almost 1 year old meme coin, and they're still active in crypto markets, largest meme coin in Tron ecosystem. You can see, friends, okay, yesterday we see a massive rally in this coin is just because of bullish news for TRX ecosystem, and you can check out all further details here on their website. No doubt coin is looking good. I'm already holding this coin on KuCoin exchange. If not have KuCoin and Coinex exchange account yet, I already provide you both central exchanges, links in description. You can join both central exchanges and you can create account there. Friends, now my price prediction for Sundog is that this current market cap is 58 million, but I think Sundog is the next $1 billion market cap coin. I know everyone is right now very bearish due to war news and many other bad news in crypto market right now, but this is not for forever. Okay, we can see definitely some good news soon in crypto market, and greenery soon in crypto market, some major pumps in crypto market soon at that time in bull run. Okay, I'm not talking in the next 1 to 2 days, but after 1 to 2 months, definitely we can see a mega bull run in crypto market. At that time, it's possible that we can see Sundog from just 58 million all the way up to 3 to maybe $5 billion market. It's really possible that Sundog coin can hit $3 to $5 billion market, because friends, there are many reasons, just like it's still not listed on Binance Coinbase. Use central exchange listing left for this coin, so it's definitely possible that when it will be listed on many major central exchanges, then definitely we can see this meme coin to move towards $1 billion market cap.